Let's talk about two things most people think are separate: making money and making an impact. But here's the truth: you can do both. In fact, the most fulfilling wealth comes when your success changes lives, not just your own. We've been conditioned to believe that chasing money means selling out, or that making an impact means sacrificing income. But why not both? The world needs people who are purpose-driven and profit-focused. Money in the hands of people who care becomes a tool for change. I once believed I had to choose: follow my passion or secure my future. But the moment I realized that my purpose had value, everything changed. When you solve problems, serve people, and add value, the money follows. Profit with purpose creates powerful impact. The more lives you touch, the more wealth you create. How can your passion solve a problem that people are willing to pay for? Identify one skill or service you offer that makes a difference, and brainstorm how to monetize it. Drop Y in the comments if you're ready to profit with purpose. Don't forget to like and share. Money follows impact. Serve more, earn more. It's time to work on your purpose.